Hi, this is Craig from Sulcata Grove, and I'm here with Courtney, and we're going to be taste testing the Sunrise Mango. I don't believe I've had one of these before. Haven't. This is another one that we got from Alex. Tropical Acres Farm. Smells like mango. Pretty mango, very yellow, a little bit of green at the tip here, but I'm pretty sure it's ripe. It's got a, ooh, it cuts good. Very juicy, very smooth. A little bit of a, almost a piney type of a smell.
Yeah. Almost a bit of an overripe smell too.
I don't think this one's overripe. If it is, I'll be surprised. Texture's not saying overripe.
Kind of a musky smell.
A little bit of a musk.
What do you think?
It's got a really piney flavor.
Ah.
And some little bit of chalkiness. Some good mango flavor though. Like a musky aftertaste.
I'm not picking up on what I would call piney flavor. To me, it's very citrusy. It's very, very juicy. It's
I
another
like a lot of piney flavor.
piney flavor.
Mm-hmm.
I get a little bit of the smell. I'm not hitting
That's like the main flavor
The
for
main
me.
flavor is like juicy, piney, mango, citrus. And the pine hits you up front. And
That one had more because
afterwards.
the piece near the end. Yeah, okay. The piney is definitely there.
But it's like a fresh piney flavor.
Yeah, it's not like a strong resinous one. It's it's brief, a brief punch of pine. But to me, the main flavor is a tangerine type of citrus. Good sweetness, little to no fiber, very juicy, not overly sweet.
It tastes like summer. Not like a winter pine, but like a summer pine with citrus, you know.
Honestly, I thought it was like a piney gum. You know, you chew and then it like goes up into your sinuses.
Wow.
Somebody needs to teach you how to chew gum. It's not supposed to go up in your sinuses.
The flavor?
Oh, the flavor, gotcha. Okay.
Like wasabi, you know, how it
Yes.
just hits you.
For me, it's still like lingering like in my throat.
Yeah, now to me, I hit the pine at the beginning,
Yes.
and then it's very tangerine, and then it's got that artificial sweetener aftertaste kind of a thing that goes up into my sinuses like chewing gum does. But it's good. It definitely does not taste like a grocery store mango.
No. It's fresh.
Like a piney mouthwash.
Yes. Like a piney citrusy mouthwash.
So it's like pine sol.
No, like not in a bad way, but just
Yeah, I think it's good. I'm eating the seed, so that tells you something.
I could see why people would want
Yeah.
this treat. I think it's a good
Well,
one.
and it's different. It's very different from
Yeah.
most other mangoes. What's it, Sunrise?
Mhm.
They're called? Yeah,
Thanks.
that's good. For uniqueness, I'd probably give it like an 8. Overall, 7.
I was gonna give it 8 overall.
But yeah, I mean I'm filthy again here. I have to shower off again after every one. But that was good. And again, piney tangerine,
Pleasant piney, not
Yeah. not pine sol.
For me, it wasn't a bad piney. And Brooke got no piney.
No.
You got little. Courtney, she was hit with pine.
So if you want to know what a piney mango tastes like, Sunrise is probably a good choice.
If this is indicative of what they normally taste like.
Let me try it
because
near the skin again. Here,
all mangoes are different depending on when you pick them, I guess.
Ooh, it's very piney near the skin. Or you want to try a piece near the skin?
Doesn't sound like I do. Tastes like Christmas, but in a bad way.
It's like a Christmas wreath that you ate. Yeah, it's very that's the pininess is near the skin. The seed was like I chewed the seed because it was very very good.
I'm gonna let her finish with something that tastes good.
There's a little bit left on that seed I was chewing on. If you want.
I think I'll pass.
Yeah. A glass of water might have to do that. Anyway, that's Sunrise. That was very good, very unique. Depending on how you feel about pininess, I guess. And
If you love piney, eat
if you
your
love
skin.
piney, then yeah, eat the whole thing. And maybe again, since it's near the skin, maybe as it gets riper, it gets less of that. But this was at a pretty good stage, I thought. This was pretty good. So, all right. Well, thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.
Mango